Good evening, friends. Today I am with the topic of children. Children are the most important aspect of the society. They are the biggest treasure of our lives. While giving life to the children, we forget our pain. While bringing them up, we receive only happiness. And when they are grown up, we feel very, very happy. But with a very sad thought, I want to say there are some children who don't get their life in a balanced way. They don't get their education in a proper way. They don't get their diets in a proper way. They don't get their love in a proper way. So I want to say that we are responsible for that. We as a citizen, it's a duty of every citizen to help children. These small children should never be seen in a work of any type of labor. Really, with a very, very internal pain, I feel very sorry whenever I see any of the children picking bottles, plastics, dust and walking with a dirty clothes. I feel very pain for myself. And on the other side, I feel very, very angry for the people who are worthy enough to help them. And they see all those things with a blind eyes. If these small childs are shown love now, they can bring miracles. Their education by any means must be completed till 10th. I feel personally this is the duty of every lane, every society, every citizen, every flat members, every people, every villagers living and seeing these people, these small children taking plastic bags and taking bottles and picking all those things. At that moment, the municipal corporation should do something for these children. So these children should go to the schools. These children don't know what is good for them and they don't know what is bad for them. But whoever have brought them in this position, our society has the whole right. Our municipal corporation has the right, and they have the duty to put them in a school. This is not a very high price to put them in a government school or a very primary school. Once they are educated till 5th or till 10th, at least they will know what they should not do. There should be some type of punishment for the people who are watching these children picking the bottles. There should be some rules, there should be some eyes. It's not because they are not my children, we should not go and look on them. If a child develops a satellite, that brings honors to our country. If a child play a well football and bring medals, then it brings honors to our country. So if these childs are not given good education and they are spreading either and either without any duty, without any cause, is it not a curse to the society? I feel it is the biggest curse on the society. How can a country be rewarded if the small children are not getting education till 10th? If the small children are not getting the proper diet, how can a country be called developed? How can a country called developing if these children are not getting the justice? We blame police officers. For whatever reason, we blame police officers. How many things and why all the things will be taken care by the police officers? There must be some things, there must be few things which should be taken care by the society, by the people living nearby places, by the municipal corporation. If every agenda, if everything are going directly to the parliament and directly to the police officers and direct to the prime minister, then what are the common people doing? Common people rights are not only to feed their family. It's also their duty to help those children who cannot get proper education, whose family are not able to give them educate till 5 or till 10th. So please, it's my request from this video, all the people living in different areas, different society, different lanes, please take it as a mission that at least in your lane you will not see a small 10 years, 12 years child working like a beggar or working like a labor. If we take responsibility of a child, of small children, from the society, from every other lane, then I think many of the children will get education. We should not lay all our responsibilities on the other sections of the society, that this work will be done by the NGO, this work will be done by the police officers, this one work will be done by the hospital. No. Many of the works which are common, many of the works which are normal, many of the works which are for the well-being of the society should be done by the nearest and the dearest persons. Many of the things, nobody forces you to do anything, but it is the internal call, and this call should come from within, because everybody if keeps his eyes and ears closed, never this place will become happy. How can you feel happy if you see your son playing with a balloon and the other small children just at the age of your son, they don't have any of the game, they don't have anything to play? How can you feel pride that your son and your daughter is moving in Mercedes and the smallest section of the society, they don't have even one packet bread with them to eat in lunch? So it's not at all permittable by your heart or in conscience if you be trustworthy, if you be honest with yourself, because you just think any small children when he smiles, he or she is unknown to you, you feel happiness, you feel very happy. So why don't you feel tears in your eyes when you see them in pain? Why at that time you put your weight on the other side? I just want to ask you for help to all the small children of the society, of your area, of minimum 5 years age, 10 years age, 12 years age. These children should not be seen moving with dirty clothes, without schools, without knowledge. Please do justifications with them. Please do some kindness with them. Don't be cruel with them. They are not faulty. They have right to live their life with pride as the other children have. Have ever you seen in so many situations still these small children have a smile? How strong they are. If you help them, they will be more stronger. Have a faith on yourself and on God. God wants you to help these students. God wants you to help these small children. God wants you to help these section of the society. God made all the flowers, all the birds with total honesty, all the children with total honesty. And by some of our deeds, some of our mistakes, many of the children are not getting justification with their lives. So please give a thought to my thoughts and please come with a positive approach to help the small children to go to schools, to reach to the happiness of their childhood, and they can get life. They can bring some good wonders in the society. They are not made to be just melted in the dust. They are made to be shining like a stars.